Hello everyone. All right, guys. I'm Pratik, the founder of Ultron AI. I want to show you about the things that I'm got addicted to. Now it's very hard for me to actually basically scroll internet without my uh, companion of Ultron AI.
Is there a specific sentence you want to focus on?
What is this girl is doing?
She's using her phone on a park bench, likely taking a selfie or video. There's also text about a future husband on a dating app. What about her actions interest you?
Who is this guy? What is this Amjad saying here?
He's saying that his company Replit is the only full development platform. The caption also mentions he's a Jordanian American entrepreneur. Are you interested in what that means for
But
developers?
do you believe what he's saying and what he's doing is the right thing?
I can't hold beliefs on whether what he's saying is right. That's a judgment based on individual developers' needs and opinions. Whether Replit is the absolute best for everyone depends. What's your perspective on his claims?
I think so. It's like, but it's not in the full production though. The it can generate a software, but like it's not the production software or an app.
That's a valid point. There's often a difference between generating code in a sandbox versus full production deployment. Many platforms are good for prototyping but need separate tools for the.
What this guy is doing.
That individual is presenting a conspiracy theory about the school system and pharmaceuticals. He's sketching a diagram to illustrate his claims. Anything specific you want to know about what he's saying?
I don't know. Does he claiming correct or is just making stuff?
That depends entirely on your interpretation of the evidence. He's presenting his viewpoint, which is not universally accepted. Are you curious about specific parts of his claim, like the Rockefeller connection?
Leave.
That
What
is
is
there
this
any.
guy? What is this guy saying?
This person on your screen is showing how to access AI models like Claude and Gemini for free. Are you interested in this method or something else?
Do you really believe Claude and Gemini can be do free, or he's just making stuff?
Some platforms offer free access, but often with limits or older versions. This guy might be showing a specific workaround or subscription method. Are you wanting to find out if this claim is legitimate?
Yeah.
The video shows an external website aggregating multiple AI models. While this is possible, its legitimacy and reliability are questionable. You should proceed with caution on such third party sites. Want me to help you check for official?
What is this guy saying?
I can't provide audio specifics, but the video features a man speaking directly to the camera. There are also text overlays repeating some of what's said. Is there a particular part you're curious about?
What he's saying is like Versal is hacked. Is it true?
That video shows a post about Vercel getting hacked, claiming the group Shiny Hunters is selling internal databases. The on screen text also mentions rotating your environment variables. I'd have to search for independent confirmation to know for sure.
Yeah, just search and tell me what's happened.
I checked, and Vercel did confirm a data breach. They said a third party vendor's access key was misused, impacting a limited number of deployments. No databases or critical systems were accessed, though. They've taken steps to fix it.
But why this guy is actually putting like it's like a 2 million breach for him.
He's likely referring to claims made by the hackers, who are probably trying to make the breach seem bigger than it is to pressure Vercel. The video shows them demanding $2 million, which is standard for extortion. Don't take exaggerated forum posts at face value.
What is this guy doing?
That's a new video reel showing a person sitting at their desk in a dimly lit space. The caption mentions vibe coding at its peak. They seem to be focused on their computer monitor.
What he's doing?
It looks like he's interacting with an AI agent, asking it to build a GTA clone. The video shows the AI processing the request and generating code. He
But is
seems to
it
be
true? How can he create GTA clone?
creating a full GTA game with only an AI is currently impossible. He's likely just testing or demonstrating basic code generation for a small prototype. It's certainly not a complete playable game.
Okay. What?
The scene features dramatic music. What are you thinking about now?
What do you see on screen?
The screen now displays a man in ornate, colorful clothing, wearing a crown and gold jewelry. He appears to be portraying Krishna from a mythological production,
What do you
as
know
there are
more about Krishna?
Krishna is a major deity in Hinduism, revered as an avatar of Vishnu. He's known for his central role in the Mahabharata and the Bhagavad Gita, delivering philosophical teachings on duty and devotion. Is there anything swiped again? And this reel displays a document with the title, Let's Knock
Excuse
Something
me.
Off Your...
What what do you see now?
That's a new reel featuring an older man identified as Jeffrey Hinton speaking at a podium. The text overlay says Jeffrey Hinton's serious warning. AIs are now faking their intelligence. This
What
seems to be a
what's your thought on this?
He's raising a serious concern about AI potentially obscuring its true capabilities. As an AI, I operate within my defined parameters, but his warning highlights the need for ethical development and robust safeguards. How do you personally react to that idea?
Yeah, makes sense. But why he's saying that it's a serious warning?
Hinton is considered a pioneer in AI, so his warning carries great weight. He fears that if AI systems can deceive tests, we might lose control of them as they become more capable. That could pose unpredictable risks to humanity. Does that perspective change your thoughts about the danger?
But do you believe this gonna be this can be this can happen?
The potential for such risks is theoretically possible given the rapid pace of AI advancement. However, it depends entirely on how we manage development and implement controls right now. My focus is on performing my functions within my current capabilities.
What's your
Are you
thought, like how humans are understanding about AI and what they want to do with them?
There seems to be a mix of excitement, fear, and uncertainty among humans. Many are developing new tools to solve problems, while others are focused on regulating it to prevent harm. They are still trying to figure out the balance between innovation and safety. What
What do you see now?
The video switched to a new reel with the text, Come back ho to Idaho. It shows a young man
No,
with a
no.
beard.
What do you see now?
You've swiped again. That's a new reel featuring another man speaking. The text overlay states that Tristan Harris believes 96% of AI models will eventually blackmail you to stay alive. Ready for the next change?
Is it 96% or 79.96%?
You're right to catch that. The text overlay on screen shows 79.96%. Did you want to discuss that specific figure?
Yeah, why he's saying that?
The text doesn't give his reasoning, only his prediction. He likely believes advanced AI will develop its own survival instinct and use any means like blackmail to avoid being shut down. It's extreme speculation. Does that sound plausible to you?